back to my channel. I am using my vlog camera today. I actually haven't used it yet. And I just have you sitting on my dash right now. And currently there's a man walking in front of me, so I'm just gonna stop talking. So awkward. I hate that. Living in a small city like this, and it's not like acceptable to be vlogging and doing stuff of that nature, it's just like freaking awkward. I don't like it. Anyway, I have a doctor's appointment this morning, so I'm going to go do that. I just figured I would kind of take you on my day today. I work at 3:30 to 9, so I'll kind of do a little get ready with me later. But yeah, let's get started. Since this is my camera just sitting on my dash, I don't have like a little tripod to make sure you guys don't like fling off and like disintegrate on my dash. So I am gonna shut you guys off, but I will update you later. What's up? I'm sitting in the parking lot waiting because my appointment's not till 9:30 and they told me to be here at 9:15 and I'm here at 8:55. So I got some time to kill. I thought it was gonna take way longer to get here, but I guess not. Cool. I had a little Velveeta breakfast biscuits. I try to drink a lot of water right away, like in the first half of the day, just because I do get lazy the second half, like in the afternoon. I don't drink as much water. I think it's just because I get so busy and I just like don't think about it. So I do try to finish this. I'm gonna try and finish this before I get back to the condo. It's only 26 ounces, but it's still like 3 to 4 glasses of water. So I like really want to buy a tripod, but I'm like broke. I like have no money right now. All of it's basically going towards OTF, or Orange Theory Fitness. But I have been freaking loving it there. I feel so good about my body. Not like so good. I'm not like where I want to be yet, but I'm like getting there and I can like see my progress already. So that's pretty cool. But no, I just love it. I feel healthier overall. So I definitely want to keep that. That's like a necessity now. Sorry about it, but also I probably don't work as often as I used to. I just don't. Which is sad. It was because of school. And now that break's over. Then when I'm on break, I'm like, oh, I don't want to do anything. I just want to like relax. So then I still don't work as often, and I hate it because I need the money and I love working there. But I need a vacation. I think that's what I need. I just need an entire mental break from life in general, and then maybe I'll, be back in my normal routine. Sorry, 1 second. I'm just checking my phone. It is only 9. If anyone wants to help a girl out and buy some of my clothes, do it, because you'd be helping a girl out. I have a Poshmark. It's Sydney J99. I'll put it right here. You need to follow me and buy some of my shit, because this girl needs it. Some people will sell like Louis Vuitton for $2,400, and I'm just like, girl, this is Poshmark. Like, I thought this was all supposed to be like a little discounted. I mean, I guess that's probably discounted for Louis Vuitton, but damn. Fuck that. Okay, also, who in their right mind, if anyone has $2,400 to drop on a Louis Vuitton dress, they have enough money to drop that amount of money on a new Louis Vuitton dress. So, like, who's gonna pay that? Who's your main focus? I could have really slept in today. Okay, fam, I'm kind of boring right now because I got nothing to talk about because it's 9 a.m. Well, I'll be back after my appointment Okay, deuces. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me just set y'all up here. So doctor's appointment took freaking forever. I literally waited there for an hour until she came in. Granted, she's an OBGYN, so she's on call, and there's a lady about to give birth, so understandable. But see, this is why you can't be on my dash. So got any games, fam? I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I'm back at my condo. So I just really hurt my nail. So I actually work at 3:30. It is now 11 o'clock. Wish I had more time. Wish my appointment didn't take that long. But my plan is just to go inside and probably shower, eat lunch, if I have time, take a nap because I want a nap, and then ready for work, do my makeup. I'm not going to talk through my makeup routine, just heads up, I'll probably just kind of like play music, and you guys can watch me do it. I have a roommate, so I don't want to be talking to myself in my room, if you feel what I'm trying to say. So, that's the plan. We're going to do that, so come with me. I am going to go make some food now, and then, you know, watch. I'm probably just gonna have a sandwich with some chips. I don't have a lot of food in my house right now. RIP. But, BRB. Okay, you guys, I am all set for the day. You guys saw me do my makeup, my outfit. My hair just blow dried and put in a low little pony bun. I figured I didn't really need to show you guys because you've seen me do that on my channel already. So yeah, that was my day. Kind of boring. I'm on my way to work now. It's 3 o'clock. I work at 3:30. It takes me roughly like 13-15 minutes to get to work, so I usually like to be 10 minutes early, so I usually leave around this time. But yeah, so that was my day. I figured I would just kind of film an outro in my car. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video and want me to do more like this of me in my like natural habitat, more type of vlogs, I'm definitely game to do it. I think it's so much fun. Kind of shows a bit more of my personality. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and do hit that notification button. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, unless I tell you otherwise, and I do that in my Instagram channel right here. So I will see you guys in the next video.